Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Antares Auto-Tune Artist on your Mac M1, M2 and Intel. So I got my download from extraplugins.com. They offer the instant download with the full version, future free updates and lifetime activation with 24/7 live chat support as well. In case you're having some issue, you can just talk to them on the customer support live chat. They're going to help you out. So once you got the auto-tune from here, you're gonna get these files, open and go to the setup. You need to these are the auto-tune artist, and this is the license as well, included the license. So all you need to do is just drag and drop these files into your desktop, just like that. And now you had to go to folder /library and go to audio. Right here you need to go to the plugins, and now make sure you just drag and drop the license of the components. As you can see, it says auto-tune artist.component, so make sure this license you have to drag and drop into. And this one, as you can see, it says .vst3, so this license you need to put into the just like that. So after you're done with this, all you need to do is restart your computer. Alright, after restarting your computer, you can actually start using the plugin. Let's try the plugin in our DAW. There we go, and it is the plugin. Alright, as you can see, this is full version and it is lifetime activated. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Peace.